Victor, like I was saying, if it alters that dark cloud candle, for candle to close against each other, is either it's going to form another candle interpretation, or it's going to break and just keep on going. So for you to have another sniper entry, that's why it's good to wait for candle closing. When you wait for candle closing, it will give you more opportunities or more room for it to enter. Like now, see that thing, see they dance for that place. But I wanted to have uninstalled that indicator. There's another supply level. This guy will join here. He knows about that. There's another supply level.
Boss, I don't know anything. I beg. I'm even lost.
There are two supply levels on lower time frame here. Look, I bring back that indicator if I can see it. I will then bring it back now. Okay, yes, that's true. This is it. Okay, it's back. No, you don't see what they try to do for that place now. Where will they look for that confirmation? It's dancing around there. It's giving us more heads up, multiple candle wick rejections, like over 7 or 8 around here. So there are still potentials that the market can come down from this place. Then, if you are doing smart money, like my Oga will just join now. This place, this red candle here, now is between the 50 level. Most of the times I don't really like taking sales from 60 level, or it's from 50 behind. That's why I normally like taking the 180 level. So this supply area, this place is supply area. All these things here are supply area and other block. And it also aligns with our proven support. Proven resistance in higher time frame, which could be a point of reversal. So those are the kind of things I used to get sniper entries after analyzing. So Victor, you see now. So if this this are stop loss, it's just daily 9 pips, it's not up to 10 pips. So it's still, and it's now coming back. Oh fuck. It's now coming back. But we don't still have confirmation yet. Until the candlestick closes, then you can decide. I love candle to close, especially when I don't calm down, analyze market finish. Because it could still break here and come up here and still form more like a double top. Or like I said, that most break and retests, it likes forming double top on the neckline of that break and retest, and it will be a very strong one. See, and this candle now, when you don't form a reversal candle for you, if you do candlestick interpretation, this is more like a digital candle. So, but you still have to wait for the candle to close, make you know what to decide. Like I told you, 30 minutes or 1 hour. So that you confirm that it's a confirmed double top. Then you come back to this indicator now. You will see, say, for that lower time frame now, it will start forming. It will now start forming. See now, it don't even form triple top. So, 15 minutes closings. Sniper entry, aggressive, risky, 30 minutes, or you wait for 30 minutes or 1 hour, but the market will pass you small. So if you have tickling fingers. Mr. Promise, Mauga.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, my boss. At your side.
I've been asked this question before. Say, if Oga they call him boy, boss, waiting him boy go come call Oga.
I say, make I carry you come my webinar, make you come show me one or two things.
No be for you to me, I even come dey lost, so e be dey explain something here on one
And
hour.
wetin they lost? You know they lost. And that same question when you asked me that time, when you asked me for chat, now why I give you link, make you just join. Make
I
you
say
come too
you
small.
were just saying something of 1 hour, you go down lower time, so I'm kind of confused.
What I was trying to, or what he was actually trying to, how to get sniper entry.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So you say I just dey draw fib. Fib now like when I don't analyze everything, I'll just use fib. It's just like when they do block work before they can't do the blinding. You come see they use tape to
Ye-
measure whether the ground where they dig, whether it don't reach 3 feet
Yeah.
or 3 inches rather.
Mm,
To be sure that that's actually what you have done. So fib is just like last something, but it also comes alongside your actual confirmation.
okay.
So what do I want to tell you guys again? What? So our 1 hour is still going very nicely, but if you go to 15 minutes or 5 minutes or 1 minute, like one, even on 1 minute, promise.
Sir?
You will say I know the trade lower time frame. Say you come meet me as I analyze something for lower time frame.
Boss, no verse, no verse, no verse. You don't prove
You,
me wrong. You don't prove me. You not good. You
no
don't
be
do
to
good.
no, I know be good. Not be to prove you wrong.
You don't
It's
prove me
just
wrong.
like it's just to get it's just to get your like we were saying, we were talking about how we can have sniper entry in this trade because we have been battling with this trade since yesterday on this reversal. So
On the
this is
reversal.
like the last of it. Yes, this
Okay.
is like the last of it. If we
Please,
break this snake or this thing where we analyze, let's just forget. Maybe go the plan for bias.
for buy.
Yes, or step index. This is step index. So
Yeah,
this is volatility.
I'm seeing it. There was like I want you like please can you just analyze this particular chart why you want to buy? Or I thought I was even looking
No,
at self. Oh.
no, you did not hear me now. I said we are analyzing for sales. We are analyzing for sales here.
Okay, is the bias you're talking about,
Yes,
right?
yes, the buyers. Yes,
Okay.
we are analyzing for sales. Our buyers still remain sales, 80% sales. Even to me, there are no buys. Buys. If I'm to buy, I still have to wait for the next 2 to 3 days to confirm buys. But we still have buyers for sales. Okay. You
Mm,
still have buyers for sales because of lot of liquidity that is below, that is on higher time frame. You now they even they do those ones. There's a lot of liquidity down here, like fair value gap,
yes.
liquidity, order block itself, which it has to come back and come
Mm,
back to this purple line, which was a neckline before it can start giving us a proper buy.
yeah, yeah. So
So, so my buyers on this trade has still been and it still sells, but it's very close to the neckline of I think day one or 1 week. It's still very close to this resistance level, which if it breaks, the buy go bloody.
okay, yeah. I'm getting it small now. You see, for this step index, I
Uh,
this volatility, seriously,
this,
I've been confused a lot. Like I've been fucking confused a lot. Seriously, like at a time, okay, look at this your 1 hour now. There was a
uh,
time that I analyzed this trade and it took me out. So I just left it. Okay, for example, now look at after it took profit, the stop later reversed up. You understand? So
wait,
and you are still
okay,
on sales.
yes,
If I'm the one now,
okay,
if
uh,
One end of class, end of class, end of class.
No, I'm hearing you. And Victor, please let him finish.
So I was okay, you're still on sales, but if I'm the one now, I will want to be looking for buys because of you see this.
You know, say this is my time. I will finish now. I will join again. I will create a new link. Then we join. We'll
Okay,
trash that.
okay, sir.
Let me close. Let me